Hello Junior 2. I hope you are doing well. Our lesson for today is grammar lesson, which is called present simple tense. Present simple tense. In which form Junior 2? In affirmative form. So our lesson for today is present simple tense in affirmative form. We are now Junior 2 in our grammar book. Unit 11. Unit 11, which is called present simple and adverbs of frequency. Okay, as we see here in this example, we drive to school every day. We drive to school every day. Sally sits in her seat. Sally sits in her seat. And I stick my head out of the window. Okay, present simple in affirmative form. We use the present simple to say that the action happens. The action happens, or that a person does an action, or a person does an action. We can use some words, okay, in this tense, like always, often, every day, or usually. In affirmative sentences, we use only the verb and the person. In this tense, we use only the verb and the person. For example, I go to the park on Saturday. I go to the park on Saturday. The verb changes when we have he or she or it. The verb changes when we have he or she or it. We must put s at the end of the verb. We must put s at the end of the verb. For example, if I use I, so I dance. I dance. You dance. You dance. If I use he or she or it, I have to put s at the end of the verb. Like he dances, she dances, it dances. Okay? We and you and they, we don't have to put s at the end of the verb. Like here, we dance, you dance, they dance. So we have to put s only with which subject or personal pronoun, he or she or it. As we said before, Junior 2, when we put s at the end of the verb, okay, we have to follow some rules. If the verb ends in s and h or ch or o, when we use the subject he or she or it, okay, we add es at the end of the verb. We add e and s at the end of the verb. For example, Steve goes swimming on Saturday. Steve goes swimming on Saturday. Rule number 2. When the verb ends in a consonant plus letter y, we have to put ies at the end of the verb and drop letter y. So if the verb ends in a consonant plus letter y and we have he or she or it, we drop letter y and add ies at the end of the verb. For example, Bob studies English on Tuesday and Wednesday. Bob studies English on Tuesday and Wednesday. The verb study, we drop letter y and put ies at the end of the verb. Okay. Very important note, we use the prepositions of time with the present simple to say when an action happens. Again, we use prepositions of time when we use the present simple tense to say when an action happens. Okay, like what? James rides his bike in the morning. So, in, okay, the morning, this is prepositions of time. The children go to bed at 9 o'clock, at preposition of time. Maria plays tennis on Saturday. We use here on Saturday, and all of these in the morning at 9 o'clock on Saturday, all of these are preposition of time. The present simple tense in affirmative form. Okay, what is the usage of this tense? We use the present simple for daily actions, for the daily action and facts. The daily action, that's mean that actions or things that I do every day. So the daily action is things that I do every day. Facts, okay, that the thing that actually happened, the thing that actually happened. Okay, we have something which is called adverbs of frequency. Okay, we have some words. Okay, if I see one of these words, okay, now I'm certain that I'm in present simple tense. The first word is always. Always. That means that I'm sure or certain about the action 100%. 100%. Usually, okay, I'm sure or certain from the action, okay, 90%. 90%. Often, the T is silent, often, okay, I'm certain, okay, by 70%. Sometimes, okay, 50%. Never, okay, that means 0%. So the things never happen, okay. So how can I form this tense? What is its form? Okay, I have at the beginning, okay, the subject or personal pronoun. I, you, we, and they, for example, okay, plus infinitive plus verb, okay. But we have some exceptions, okay. With he or she or it, we put verb plus s or es or ies, okay. So the verb with I or you or we or they, okay, I use the verb in the base form or the infinitive, okay, verb without anything. But when I use he or she or it, okay, I will use the verb plus es or s or ies. As we said before, the verb changes when we have he or she or it, or any singular noun. We have or must to put s at the end of the verb. For example, I eat or he eats, okay? Number 2, when the verb ends in C and H, SH, O, X, SS, or Z, we add ES. We add ES at the end of the verb. For example, I go. When I use he, okay, it's gonna to be he goes. He goes. I have to put ES at the end of the verb. Why I put ES? Because the verb ends with letter O. So the rule here to put ES at the end of the verb. The next example, they watch. They watch. Okay, the verb here ends with C and H. So when I use he or she or it, I have to put ES. I have to put ES. For example here, she watches. She watches. As we can see here, we put ES at the end of the verb because I use the subject she. Number 3, when the verb ends with a consonant and letter Y, we drop letter Y and add IES. Consonant plus letter Y, drop letter Y and put IES at the end of the verb. For example, you study. If I use he or she or it, I will drop letter Y and put IES at the end of the verb. So, you study is gonna to be he studies. We cry, ends with R and Y, consonant plus Y. It's gonna to be it cries. Drop letter Y and put IES at the end. Okay, note, a very important note. Okay, if there is a vowel before the Y, if we have a vowel letter before Y, what are vowels junior to A, E, I, O, and U? If I have any letter from the vowels, okay, I will do what? Keep it and add S only at the end, like play, plays. I play, he plays, okay? The verb is the same and to put S at the end. Don't forget junior 2, we use the present continuous to talk about what is happening now. What is happening now? Do you remember its form? Subject plus am or is or are plus verb plus ing. For example, he is playing football now. He is playing football now. Okay, so the present simple tense, okay, has only one word, okay, just the verb, and to put s at the end, okay, with he or she or it only, okay. I, you, we, and they know the verb in the base form or the in infinitive without any additions, okay. For example, here, Candy likes flowers. Candy likes flowers. So Candy here is a singular noun, okay, so I will put s at the end of the verb. So like is gonna to be likes. Candy likes flowers. Here, number 2, the flowers smell good. Okay, why I put smell without any additions? Why without s? Because flowers is a plural noun, so I will not put s. The next example, Mimi sings well. Okay, Mimi is a singular noun, so I have to put s at the end of the verb. So Mimi sings well. Mimi is good at singing. Mimi is good at singing. We have here some examples, okay, about the present simple tense. Don't forget, we put es and s or ha, ies at the end of the verb, okay, when I have the subject, he or she or it or any singular noun. For example, with he or she or it, we will convert like to likes. For example, he likes eating fish. She likes eating fish. It likes eating fish. Okay, but what about if I have the subject I, you, we, and they? Shall I put s in the verb? No. So it's going to be I like playing football. You like playing football. We like playing football. They like playing football. Here, Junior 2, we are going to apply, okay, the present simple tense in different types of verbs, okay? The first type, okay, I will just add s at the end of the verb. Okay, so number 1, Mary feeds her dog. The main verb here is feed, okay? So I will just put letter s at the end of the verb. So Mary feeds her dog. The second one, Peter enjoys the food. Peter enjoys the food. Okay, the main verb here is enjoy, okay? So enjoy ends with a vowel letter, okay, letter O and Y. So I will do anything? No. I will write the verb as the same and I put s at the end. So Peter enjoys the food. Number 3, Tim always cooks the dinner. The main verb here is cook. Okay, how can I deal with this? I will just put letter s at the end of the verb. So Tim always cooks the dinner. Okay, the second case, adding es. Number 1, Tim watches TV every night. Okay, the main verb here is watch. Watch ends with C and H. Ends with C and H. So I will add E and S at the end of the verb. So Tim watches TV every night. Number 2, May usually dresses in pink. The main verb here is dress. Dress ends with double S. So I have to put ES at the end of this verb. So May usually dresses in pink. And also we have here, yes, the guiding word usually. So I'm sure that I am in present simple tense. Number 3, Bob never washes his car. The main verb here is wash. Wash ends with S and H. Ends with S and H. So, Bob never. We have also the word never. So, I'm certain that I am in present simple tense. I will put ES at the end of the verb. So, Bob never washes his car. The third case, when I have consonant plus letter Y, I will do what, Junior 2? Drop letter Y and put IES at the end of the verb. So, the baby cries loudly. The main verb here is cry. The main verb is cry. So, I will drop letter Y and put IES. The baby cries loudly. Okay, number 2. Peter carries a heavy bag. Peter carries a heavy bag. The main verb here is carry. The main verb is carry. Carry ends with a consonant plus letter Y. I will do what? Drop letter Y and put IES. Peter carries a heavy bag. Okay. The last one. Tina dries the dishes every night. The main verb here is dry. The main verb is dry. So, constant letter plus letter Y. So, I will do what? Drop letter Y and to put IES. Tina dries the dishes every night. We are now Junior 2 in Grammar Book, page 61. Grammar Book, page 61, exercise with letter A, write. We have here in this box some verbs, okay, and we are gonna to put the right verb in his right position, okay. The verbs that will take S, I will put it under dash S side, okay. The verb that ends with ES, when I put it in the present simple tense, I will put this in the side of dash ES. And the verb that will convert at the end into IES, I will put it in the side of dash IES. So let's start to the verb do. Start with the verb do. Okay, do. Ends with which letter, Junior 2? Yes, with letter O. So, is gonna to, yes, be in dash ES side. So, do is gonna to be does. Do is gonna to be does. The next verb, fly. Fly. Ends with, consonant plus letter Y. So, I will do what? Drop letter Y and to put IES at the end. So, it's gonna to be flies. It's gonna to be flies. Okay. Verb go. Like verb do. Ends with letter O. So it's gonna to be goes. It's gonna to be goes. And we are gonna to put it in the side of dash ES. Okay. The verb say. The verb say. Ends with vowel plus letter Y. So I will just add letter S. So say is going to be says. Say is going to be says. Okay. Speak. Speak. Just normal verb. So I will just put letter S. So speaks. Speaks. Okay. Study. Study. Ends with a consonant plus letter Y. So I will drop letter Y and to put IES like this. Study is going to be studies. Study is going to be studies. Okay. The next verb, take. Take. Ends with just letter E. So it's going to be takes. It's going to be takes. Okay. So just put letter S at the end of the verb. Watch. Watch. Ends with C and H. Ends with C and H. Okay, so I will add ES at the end. So watch is going to be watches. Watch is going to be watches. Okay, the last one, worry. Worry. Ends with consonant plus letter Y. So I will drop letter Y and put IES at the end. Worry is going to be worries. Worries. As we mentioned before, Junior 2, we use prepositions of time in present simple tense. So we have to mention it. Preposition of time, okay, just like in, at, or on. In, at, or on. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. At, okay, at 3 o'clock or at night. On, okay, on before days of the week, like on Saturday, and we are going to explain it in details in next slide. Prepositions of time, like in or on or at. Let's start with in. We use in before any part of the day. In plus the plus any part of the day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. Let's go now with on. On. On come before days of the week, like on Sunday, on Monday, on Friday, and also we also already know what are the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So on before the days of the week, like on Sunday, on Monday, or on Friday, or specific date, like on July 11th, or on the 11th of July, or on July 23rd, or on the 23rd of July. Okay? Let's go now with at. There are many ways you can use the word at for referring to time. So at plus specific time. For example, at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 12 a.m. if I'm talking now in the morning, or at 12:30. So we have many ways to talk about specific time, and all these cases we use the preposition at. So I think now prepositions of time are clear for you now, Junior 2. We are now in grammar book page 61. Grammar book page 61. Match. We have prepositions of time in, at, and on. And also on these pens we have some words we have to recognize. This word refers to what, and choose the right preposition of time. In. He did it before. In the morning. So in the morning. In the morning. And in the afternoon. In the afternoon. So we put in before any part of the day. Preposition at. The preposition at. At 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock. Or at 1:30. 1:30. On. Preposition on. We say that on come before the days of the week, like on Friday or on Tuesday. So in will go to in the morning, in the afternoon. At will go to at 12 o'clock and at 1:30. On will go to on Friday and on Tuesday. We are still in grammar book page 61. Exercise with letter C. Tick or cross. Tick or cross. I can also put true or false. Like you want, Junior 2. Number 1. The postman comes in the morning. He put tick. Here I will check the grammar and I will check how the truth of the sentence. So the postman comes in the morning. Comes, yes, I have to put s with the verb come, because postman is a singular noun, and he also, yes, this is a daily action, comes in the morning. Number 2, children go to school on Friday. Children go, the verb go. Is it correct? Yes, because the children is plural noun, so the verb go is correct. Let's see how it's correct. Is the sentence correct here? Children go to school on Friday? Yes or no? No. So this sentence have a mistake. So I will put cross. Number 3. Mom or dad cook the dinner in the evening? True or false? True. Yes. Why true? Because it's a daily action. Mom and dad cook the dinner in the evening, and mom and dad are plural nouns, so this sentence is correct. Number 4, we sleep at night. We sleep, so the verb here is correct. Sleep come without any addition in the affirmative form with plural nouns like we. So we sleep, it's correct. We sleep at night. Is the sentence correct? Yes, correct. So the sentence is correct or true. Number 5. Dolphins live in houses. Dolphins live in houses. Okay, dolphins. Singular noun or plural noun? Plural noun. So I will put the verb without any addition in the base form. So dolphin live. Right. Is the sentence correct? Dolphins live in houses. Is it correct? No. So it's gonna to be wrong, or I will put the cross sign. We are in grammar book, page 62. Page 62. Exercise with letter D. Circle. Exercise with letter D. Circle. Number 1, he did it before. I go or goes skiing in winter. Okay, I take verb with S or without S? Without S. So I go. Number 2, Mom take or takes lots of photos every day. Okay, the first thing that I have every day, every day. So this is the guiding words for which tense? For present simple tense. So go to the subject. Is it singular noun or plural noun? Mom, singular noun. So the answer will be takes. The answer will be takes. Number 3, Tom's sisters. Tom's sisters speak or speaks French. Okay, Tom's sisters. Are these singular noun or plural noun? Plural. So I have to put S at the verb. Yes or no? No. So the answer will be speak. The answer will be speak. Number 4, the doctor gave or gives us biscuits. Okay. The doctor gave or gives us biscuits. Okay. The doctor, singular noun or plural noun? Singular. So I have to put S at the end of the verb. So it's going to be gives. Gives. Number 5. My grandparents watch or watches TV at 3 o'clock. My grandparents. Can you see S at grandparents word? So this is singular noun or plural noun? Plural. So shall I put S? No. I will just put watch without any additions. Watch in the base form or affirmative form. My grandparents watch TV at 3 o'clock. Number 6. The postman arrives at 10 o'clock. Okay, this sentence means to us that is daily routine. Okay, I am in present simple tense. So the postman is singular noun or plural noun? Singular noun. So I will choose arrive or arrives. No, I will put S at the verb. So the answer will be arrives. Number 7. My brother wears a baseball cap. Okay, baseball is a sport. So I think this is yes action that happens regularly. So my brother here, singular noun or plural noun? Singular. Shall I put S at the verb? Yes, I will put S at the verb. So my brother wears a baseball cap. Number 8. We stay or stays in the hotel every summer. We stay or stays in a hotel every summer. Every guiding word refers to present simple tense. Okay? And this action happens regularly. Okay? So, we refers to singular or plural? Plural. Shall I put S? No. So, I will choose stay, not stays. So, the answer will be stay in a hotel every summer. We are now Junior 2 in our booklet, page 72. The booklet, page 72. Our classwork. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. We take or takes the bus to the office every day. We take or takes the bus to the office every day. This is mean that is daily routine. So I will use the present simple tense. We refers to plural. So shall I put s at the end? No. So the answer will be take. We take the bus to the office every day. Number 2, on Mondays. On Mondays. This is preposition of time. Susan go or goes to the mall. Ha. Preposition of time, we can use it in present simple tense. So I will look at Susan. Are you? Ha. Singular noun or plural noun? Singular. Shall I put s? Yes. So the answer will be goes. On Mondays, Susan goes to the mall. Number 3, Kate or Kate and Jane always cleans her room. So we have always, okay, it's a guiding word for present simple tense. Cleans, we have also the verb with letter S. Okay, her room, that refers to the singular noun. So I will choose Kate or Kate and Jane. Kate, so the answer will be Kate. Number 4, my mom drinks or drink water. Okay, my mom, singular noun. Shall I put s at the verb? Yes, I will put s at the end of the verb. So the answer will be my mom drinks water. My mom drinks water. Number 5, he or I like walking in the rain. So like, can I see s here at the end of this verb? No. So I didn't use any subject of these subjects, not he or she or it. So I will use I like walking in the rain. So the right answer will be I. Exercise number 2. Correct the verb. Number 1, he always gets up early in the morning. Here we have the mistake in the verb, and he also underlined the wrong verb for us. So the mistake where? In the verb get. He always. Okay, shall I put s at the end of the verb? Yes, I have to put s. So the answer will be gets. The answer will be gets. Number 2, Jack never go to school late. Jack never go to school late. Okay, we have Jack, singular noun, and never guiding words for present simple tense. Shall I put go like this? No, I have to put ha. Verb ends with letter O. Yes, E and S. So go is gonna to be goes. So Jack never goes to school late. Number 3, we sometimes catches the bus to school. Okay, we sometimes. Sometimes is one of our guiding words. For which tense? For present simple tense. But we have we. We refers to plural. So shall I put s or es at the end of the verb? No. So the right answer or right form for the verb is catch. Catch. So we sometimes catch the bus to school. Number 4, I speaking English. I speaking English. Okay, is it correct? No, the wrong in the verb speaking. Why I put ing without verb to be? This is not present continuous. So the mistake here, I speak English. Yes, I have to drop ing. And I will not take the verb with any additions. So it's going to be I speak English. I speak English. Number 5, the photographer usually take cool photos. Okay, photographer, singular noun, usually, one of our guiding words. So I will put take like this? No, I have to put s at the end of the verb. So the photographer usually takes cool photos. We are now in exercise number 3 in page 72. Spot and correct the mistake. We are going to read the sentence, spot or figure out the wrong, okay, and after that we are going to correct this wrong. Number 1, I goes shopping with my mother. I goes shopping with my mother. Shall I put es with the verb? Okay, beside the subject I? No. So the wrong will be in the verb goes. Okay, what is the correct form for this verb? Go. The correct form is go. Number 2, he washes his face. Okay, but something is missing here. He washes, this is correct, but I will put just s to the verb wash or es. The verb ends with s and h, so I will add es at the end of the verb. So the wrong is the verb washes, and the right form for it is going to be washes, like this. Okay, number 3, we studies French. We studies French. We refers to plural. Shall I drop letter y and put ies? No, I will leave the verb as the same. So we study French. So the mistake in the verb studies, and the right form will be study. Number 4, the girl play in the club. The girl play in the club. What is the mistake here, Junior 2? The girl play. The girl refers to singular noun, right? So I have to put s. Why the verb here without s? So the mistake here in the verb play, and the right answer or the right form for the verb is plays. Number 5, the boys watches TV. The boys watches TV. Okay, boys, plural noun or singular noun? Plural. Shall I put s or es or ies? No. So the mistake in the form of the verb watches, and it's going to be watch. It's going to be watch. So the boys watch TV. Exercise number 4, use the present simple affirmative. He wants me to put the present simple in affirmative form. I go shopping with my brother. So the right answer will be go. I go shopping with my brother. Number 2, school finish at 3 o'clock. School refers to singular noun or plural noun? Singular. Yes, and refers to it. For example, so I have to put e and s at the end of the verb because the verb ends with s and h. So the right form will be school finishes at 3 o'clock. Number 3, we watch TV in the evening. We watch TV in the evening. Okay, we refers to plural. Shall I put es? Okay, no. So the right form will going to be watch. Number 4, my mother teach art. My mother teach art. My mother refers to singular noun. For example, she, right? So my mother teach or what? Teaches. I have to put es because the verb ends with c and h. So my mother teaches art. My mother teaches art. Number 5, Richard do his homework before dinner. So Richard refers to singular noun replaced by he. So Richard do or what? Does. Yes, I will put s or es or ies. Es. So the right answer will be Richard does his homework before dinner. Our homework part, Junior 2. Our homework part. Booklet page 73. Booklet page 73. I think you did your homework now, and I want you to check your answers with me. The first question is use the present simple affirmative. Use the present simple affirmative. Number 1, my friend, between brackets, study English at his school. The right answer will be studies. Number 2, we sometimes, between brackets, use a dictionary in class. The right answer will be use. Number 3, they, between brackets, play tennis on Wednesday. They play tennis on Wednesday. Number 4, you live near me. The right answer will be live. Number 5, he like music. The right answer, he likes music. Exercise number 2, choose the correct answer. So or I usually comes home at 4 p.m. The right answer will be so. Number 2, he wear or wears jeans. The right answer, wears. Number 3, he or you come to the class late. He or you come to the class late. So the answer will be you. Number 4, I or Helen brushes her teeth every night. The right answer will be Helen. Number 5, Adam go or goes to school every day. The right answer will be goes. Number 6, the cat run or runs after the mouse. The right answer, runs. Muhammad and Sharif drinks coffee every morning. The right answer is Muhammad. Number 8, they always watch or watches TV at night. The right answer will be watches. The right answer will be watch. Number 3, rearrange. Exercise number 3, rearrange. We have here some words, okay, just to put them in the right order. Number 1, very, swim, I will. The right order will be I swim very well. Number 2, oranges eats he. The right order will be he eats oranges. He eats oranges. By this question, Junior 2, now we finish our classwork and homework in our booklet. Thank you, Junior 2, for listening. I hope you understand now the present simple tense in the affirmative form, and we solved a lot of exercises about this tense, okay? Study well, Junior 2, and don't forget to do your homework and check your answers with our answers. Thank you, Junior 2, for listening. See you soon. Bye.